Hi, I'm Amit from Nimble Foundation. Today I'm going to make a presentation on the proper use of prepositions. Now, what is a preposition? A preposition is a word that creates a kind of relation between one noun and another noun, or between a pronoun and another noun in the same sentence. Let us look at an example. The cat jumped off the chair. In this sentence, the word off creates a kind of relation between the cat and the chair. Let us look at some more examples. There is a cow in the field. In this sentence, the word in shows the relation between two things, cow and field. He is fond of tea. In this sentence, the word of shows the relation between the attribute expressed by the adjective fond and tea. The prepositions for, from, in, on are often omitted before nouns of place or time. For example, we did it last week. I cannot walk a yard. Wait a minute. Now there are basically three kinds of prepositions. They are simple prepositions, compound prepositions, and phrase prepositions. Let us look at each of them in greater detail. First and foremost, simple prepositions include at, by, for, from, in, of, on, out, through, till, to, up, and with. Let's make some sentences with these prepositions. I will visit your office at 3 p.m. The meeting continued till 5:30. I will travel with my friends. Moving on to compound prepositions. Examples of compound prepositions are about, above, across, along, amidst, among, amongst, around, before, behind, below, beside, between, beyond, inside, outside, within, and without. Now let us make some sentences. Tell me about yourself. The solution lies within us. We must think beyond our imagination. Finally, we have phrase prepositions. These are groups of words used with the force of a single preposition. These include according to, along with, because of, in place of, instead of, in case of, away from, with regard to, in order to, in the course of, in favor of, and in front of. Let us make some sentences. He attended the meeting in place of the boss. You will learn many new things in the course of your work. The best way to learn phrase prepositions is to make simple sentences using each of the prepositions which are contained in this presentation. That's all for the moment. I'll be back with you to discuss another subject of grammar. Until then, thanks for watching.